Hello and welcome to another Minecraft survival series, and today I actually have a guest.
Hello.
And he's Parker. Yeah. Okay.
I'm a big fan.
Actually, he's my cousin.
Yes, we're cousins.
And if you remember last episode, we went mining and we found a bit of iron, and we did mine a piece of redstone with a stone axe, which didn't work, so now we're just going to make an iron pickaxe. So, just enough sticks, actually. Sticks. Iron pickaxe.
Really smart. On the PS3, it's really different. Like, you go to the crafting table, you have like these bunch of suggestions.
I know, it's like the Xbox too.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get it for the PS4 in August.
Nice.
So, because it comes out in August and I have a PS4. And I think you can hear the background. It's just another video game going on. Aiden!
No, wait.
1 second. Okay, so let's just...
Sorry about that. Yeah, the video had to pause. Whoa, is that your mining area?
Yeah.
Wow.
We found a cave, and that's where we found the redstone. We already found lava. We can make, like, buckets and scoop the lava with them.
And
Slap the lava in the buckets.
Is that what you're gonna do?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
We're just gonna get the redstone to build the button.
Ah, I see lava.
So go over here. Hopefully there's no lava under there. Yay! Oh, that. I definitely don't want to die this episode, so just block this. Because we just started, so we got 12 redstone. That's actually a lot. Let's just keep staying here for a bit.
Yeah, you never know. You might even find gold.
Already. It's like we found diamonds. Best day ever.
Oh, more redstone. But you better cover that.
Okay, so...
You didn't ask Parker.
1 second. Okay, let's just mine all this redstone. Ooh, sorry, here, I forgot. This. Oh. Okay.
Whoops.
Now we got an iron pickaxe. It's a lot easier. Pickaxe, I mean. Oh, no.
You're bad at this. Unless you're just not watching.
I am.
It's really hard.
So, there. And hopefully there's no lava under this piece of redstone. This redstone is very valuable. Oh my goodness. At least I got it. If I was mining down like that, I would be totally like...
Dead.
Ah! Oh look. There's obsidian over there. I'm not going to waste my iron pickaxe.
That is going to break. I like your song.
Oh, iron. More iron. Yay. Oh my goodness. This mosquito bite's bad. It's hot out, especially with this lava. Oh man, there was lag and I almost went into the lava.
At least there will be no lava. So you better make sure that doesn't go full up.
Doesn't really matter. Got lots of iron.
I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about like
Me?
no, about like the lava. You want to pick up the lava, right?
Not yet.
Yeah, but you will, right?
Yeah.
Well, you gotta be careful, because there will be no lava.
Well, there's lots of lava right here. Like,
Oh,
it's a pool. It's lava. So let's just make that machine here. We'll actually not put the button on the house, I guess. We'll just make
So
this.
you're technically like teleporting?
What do you mean? No.
Like you're teleporting to like another dimension?
No. Just makes the world look different. So majestic.
And what is this video called again? What is this video?
series?
Yeah, the series.
Oh.
The series is called Whoops. Nice.
It is the Emerald Keeper.
The Emerald Keeper? So it's about like someone keeping an emerald?
No, it's just kind of something random. I couldn't come up with anything. So, and I also like emeralds, which usually people don't have any uses for that. But they're rare and I like them. They're shiny.
Really disappointing. I thought you would have to chase someone that had like diamond. Like emerald, sorry. Really disappointing.
I really need a bed soon. Like, it's really dark.
And not fun.
No funny.
No funny. See, it's funny. You're laughing. You're laughing.
No funny. So, the button's right there, yeah. So, let me just chop this up. My axe. Never thought I would ever be doing this before. Okay, I should really add face cam to this, but I don't right now. Maybe later, but... And will anybody ever suggest how to get a mod on your Mac? I'll look it up on the internet. It's way too complicated. Too complicated.
Yeah, what he did say, if you didn't hear, does anyone know how to get mods
On Mac.
on Mac?
OS.
OS.
10.6.6.
Did you hear that? And if you did, give a response back.
Come on.
A comment back to Tyler Can Climb.
Tyler.
Tyler.
Just call me Tyler. It's my real name.
To Tyler Can Climb, it's his web thing.
It's right below. This guy doesn't really have much experience with YouTube. I don't know.
No, I don't. I've seen videos.
Hello, Squiddies. I'm still on peaceful. So this is like peaceful. I know.
So
Where do you think the machine should be? If you can see. Should it be on the island? Like, I could expand the island and put the machine there.
You should expand the island.
Yeah.
Hayden. Yes. You can't have this bullet.
Just crouch down so I don't fall in the water. Oh.
No.
Okay. I'm not really crouching down. Okay, now I am. Crouch down, make sure we don't fall in the water. Okay. Very nice view. Okay, let's expand the island now.
Okay. Tyler, I have a question.
Yeah?
Like, can you add music to this?
Huh?
Do you know how to add?
Okay. Let's get to expanding this island. Instead of wood, we're gonna need cobblestone. It's just gonna look like a mess. Just like a bunch of random blocks being placed. So let's just... Oh no.
Good job! Woo-hoo! You did it!
Yeah.
What did you do? I wasn't watching.
I fell.
Fell off what?
Fell off the island. Dan.
I'm done.
Yes, you are.
Is the series done yet?
No.
Wait, it's a series?
No, this is a single video.
Want this up? No. No? Yes? Yes.
Yes, scream for your life. Scream like you've never done before.
Here's a gun. Yeah, here's my gun aiming at me.
What? You have a gun?
Don't point at me.
Hey, Dan, don't point the Nerf gun at Parker.
My name is not Parker. My name is Joe. Joe Bob.
Hello, Joe.
Hello. No. Give me your phone number so I can hit you all. Num-nums. Just kidding. I like to fool around with you guys.
You mean me?
All of you.
Me?
No, not you.
Me?
Yes, you.
Me?
All of you.
Me?
No.
It's only one me.
No, there isn't.
Well, this is kind of boring.
Out. Now start building your machine. Oh, Aiden, this is your last
I'm
thing.
still expanding it. It should be good. It's gonna be good.
No.
We have very little cobblestone. So basically,
This is the last thing.
Do this. Make a floating block. Oh, look, it's floating. I'm
It's
magic.
a miracle.
I'm magic. I'm magic. I'm magic. I'm magic. Yes. That. But the redstone down there. Oh, look, it's turning morning. That there. Oh.
Oh my God, Hayden. Yes. What are you doing to my gun? No. Out.
So
I had to take them
it's
out.
not done yet, so let's just test it out so far. So it kind of makes some sort of like sparky thing. Sparky.
I need your help, Tyler.
Yes.
Your brother's just crazy.
Hayden, stop being so crazy.
Like he's asking me for like every single thing.
Hayden, don't ask for every single thing.
What Tyler's saying? Can you stop asking me?
Okay, so
No,
let's
Aiden. No.
try this out.
Did you get that?
Nothing happened.
Okay.
Whoa!
Can you pick that up?
Whoa! Wow, look at everything. Oh my. Whoa. Oh, I forgot to break this. Whoa, look at everything. It's weird looking.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does look it.
It just looks the same.
Oh, I broke it. Everybody, you didn't see that. Didn't break the machine. Nobody saw that. Wow. And it's even daytime. Whoa. This is so cool.
No. Like this?
Parker, do you know how long it's been?
About 100 years.
Let me just see. 1 second. It's been 15 minutes. I think that's good enough. Okay. I guess.
We're gonna leave it off here.
Yes.
Then, like in the next part, Tyler's gonna have to go through crazy stuff here.
What am I gonna do?
And crazy things. The whole thing changed. The world changed. Tyler's gonna have some fun. Till the next video. Bye.
Bye.